If your Windows PC is moving slower than a rebuilding franchise, don't toss it in the trash just yet. Let's run through some quick fixes that can turn this thing from cellar dweller to playoff contender. First quarter, we're attacking startup apps. Hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, open up Task Manager, jump to that startup tab. All those chat apps, game launchers, updaters, if you don't need Amit Kickoff, right-click and hit Disable. They'll still be available, they just won't hog the opening drive. Second quarter, we're trimming the roster. Head to the Start menu, into Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features. Scroll that lineup and uninstall trials, old games, toolbars, anything you recognize and don't use. If you're not sure what it is, look it up before you cut it. Third quarter, clean up the junkyard. In Settings, go to System, then Storage. Flip on Storage Sense and run a manual cleanup to dump temporary files, old updates, and cache. That frees up space and gives you a little extra burst. Fourth quarter, we're trading style for speed. Right-click Start, go to System, Advanced System Settings, then Performance Settings. Choose Adjust for best performance or keep just a few visuals. Less sparkle, more hustle. Cap it off with a full Windows security scan, updates, and maybe a hardware upgrade, and your slow PC is suddenly back in the game, playing like an all-star.